We are back. We're going on an adventure, going on waterfall hunting today.
The biggest waterfall in the Westfjords.
Yes, from what we hear. Dynjandi? We tried. It sounds like Jumanji,
right.
but with a D. Yeah. Sunday, day off, we're going for a waterfall. It's raining though, so we'll see what the vibes are. Savannah needs to get on my level. Fully, I'm ready.
Congratulations, do you want to cook? She probably does.
Yeah. May go for a swim, you know, you never know. For the views, you never know.
I brought my bathing suit.
Bathing suit? Oh no.
No,
I'm just going shorts. That's it.
I'm going naked. Because I didn't bring anything.
But yeah, catch us there for the adventure.
Yeah, I see.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Lord, she's on her period. You're freaking paparazzis in my face. You're a popular guy around here.
Alright, Savannah is on a mission. This is her mission in life in Iceland. This is her goal. She wants to catch. Yeah, you can wait. But she wants to catch a sheep. And that is her aim in life. Savannah's aim. So go get him! Go get him, girl! They ain't gonna attack. The sheep.
They're gonna run away from you though, probably.
Go get them sheep, girl! Oh, that poor one out there. Look at it. Look at it staring at
Look, the bears are looking at you. I'm scared.
Oh, she wild. Go get him.
Car's coming.
Go get him. Savannah, leave him!
Oh my god, now they're crossing the road.
That is... What?
In the middle of the street.
Look at that. What a time. Wow. Savannah, you just have to get them on the next time.
They're too quick now.
They weren't vibing with you.
That's how authentic. See, you can't even be authentic. See, you can't even be authentic. I'm gonna remember. There's a little paparazzi in the back seat.
You're trying to be discreet. I'm just trying to, you know, the stories that it's gonna come from.
No, I told you I'm gonna be in my authentic self and I'll remember it up here, this way, you know? Through that.
There's the people that gave us a ride.
Through my eyeballs.
A ride. A picture. Maybe we should join them.
I know.
Maybe I'll vlog their experience.
Maybe they'll cook.
Where are they going?
Anything for the views.
Anything for the views. For the adventure. For the journey, for the stories.
Nope.
These are memories, Savannah.
Yep, look. I'm using my eyes to make the memories.
Memories. These are memories. You wouldn't believe this is the scenery we're in. Like, gorgeous. It's insane. Look at it. It's crazy. Who would have thought this is where we'd be? Like, wild times.
On a random Sunday.
On a random Sunday. Actually, I'd normally be in church, but this is God's making right now. This is
the God's church. God's creation.
It's insane. We'll wait till we get closer. It's insane. I came prepared. Shorts, shirt, underwear, socks, and another sports bra to go swimming again. Savannah came prepared.
But mine's still in the car.
Yeah, hers is in the car, so she'll just be like sitting in a bathers when she goes in. Alyssa did not come prepared.
I never do.
She's the least prepared out of us all. But we'll see.
On my bra pants.
So we'll see whenever there's an activity, so we've got to make use of it. Can you imagine, hey, I'll flip it, that whole river, right? Okay, can you imagine seeing me go down it? on like a boogie board.
You're surfing.
Me surfing down that on the water, just taking it down there like it's rapids, coming off that thing.
I don't think we'd ever see you again.
Oh,
Alive.
that would be an outside injury on the section.
You would be fine.
No, it's insane. Oh, get some rapids down there on the boogie board, and you'll just see me traveling all the way down there, down that section. Wow, I did not realize we'd be climbing a mountain today. We rugged up, it was windy at the bottom, and now we're gassed coming up this mountain, let me tell you. Getting our glute workout in, coming in, jacket's about to come off, but I guess it just means we just cool down when we get to a waterfall. Go for a swim, jacket's back on, and yeah. Who would have thought? It was like a few months ago, who would have thought we'd be in Iceland? For us Australians, I don't even know if we know what Iceland is, but it's so far to get here. And now we're just like here in an amazing waterfall, traveling the world. Like they say, travel the world in your 20s, and that's what we're doing. Let me tell you, that's what we're doing. Creating memories, creating friends, just chilling the whole time. What are we about to do?
Trying to get wet.
I'm not getting wet.
Keep the camera over there.
What? Keep it over there. Where are y'all going though?
I think we're going under. Right over there, that's where we're going under. To think back that months ago, even a year ago, I'd be here in Iceland, meeting new people, playing on a new team, experiencing a new country that's so far away from Australia, and just traveling the countryside here and experiencing a different kind of countryside from what America is and even Australia is insane. Like, it is insane right now to be in your 20s and having the opportunity to do all of this cool stuff. Taking the leap to exit your comfort zone is one of the hardest things you'll ever have to do. But when you do it, it is one of the best rewarding aspects of life. And over time, I've learned that. I've learned you have to take the leap, because when you do so, you end up coming across amazing things like this.
Oh yeah, you're wet. Hell no. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. Holy crap. Oh, it's wet on the camera lens.
Oh, slip and die over there. It's so slippery. I'm absolutely soaked. Soaked! Absolutely soaked! But let me tell you what an experience! What it, soaking wet, but it's insane! Wow.
There's no wow came out of my mouth. I just couldn't take myself serious when I was doing it. This was rehearsed and she made us do it. She forced us.
Ending the video. Rating the day. The experience.
It was pretty badass. It was pretty cool. It was
Pretty good.
crazy views.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Well, okay, well, for me, I enjoyed it. It's a flying out car now. But, you know, we got pretty waterfalls,
Get out.
beautiful scenery. It was cold, but it was enjoyable, you know? And now we're munching. Savannah's gonna try and ride some sheep again.
Who's we?
Oh, Savannah's munching. I'm about to be munching. Savannah's gonna go ride some sheep. Yeah, and I guess you will catch us in the next video, wherever that life takes us. But stay tuned.
Stay
have to
tuned.
catch the sheep first.
Yeah, honestly, that may be a video of its own. Catching Savannah, catch a sheep.
The sheep gonna catch her. Not the other way around.
Stay
Gonna
tuned.
happen.
Yep.
Bye.